Unpacking Slang. The story behind Idiot Box. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unravel its many mysteries. Today, we're going to explore a rather humorous and slightly outdated slang term, the idiot box. Stick around to find out what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it without actually calling someone an idiot. The term idiot box is a colloquial and somewhat pejorative slang term that refers to a television. That's right. That device many of us spend hours staring at, binge-watching our favorite shows, or groaning at commercials. But why such a harsh name for a beloved household item? Well, the idiot box implies that the content broadcasted on TV is not intellectually stimulating, or that spending too much time watching TV might make one less intelligent. It reflects a time when people were concerned about the passive consumption of television and its effects on the brain. The phrase, idiot box, is believed to have been coined in the 1950s or 1960s, during the early days of television's popularity. It was a time of debate and concern about the potential negative impact of TV on viewers' intelligence and critical thinking skills. This term caught on because it was catchy and encapsulated the fear that this newfangled invention might be dumbing down society. So, it's a bit of a historical snapshot of attitudes towards technology and entertainment. While idiot box is not commonly used today, especially with the advent of more interactive and highbrow content available on streaming services, it can still pop up in conversations, often humorously or to make a point about low-quality programming. If you decide to use this phrase, be aware of the context. It's usually not offensive when talking about television in general, especially in a self-deprecating way, as in, I spent all weekend watching the idiot box. However, if you direct it at someone as in, he's always glued to the idiot box, it can be seen as an insult to that person's intelligence or their choices in leisure activities. In modern times, the term idiot box is less relevant, as televisions have become smart, and the variety of content has expanded to include educational and intellectually stimulating programs. It's a reminder of how the English language evolves with technology and culture. Plus, the term has been somewhat replaced by discussions about screen time, which encompasses all kinds of screens: phones, tablets, computers, and yes, televisions. The conversation has shifted from the quality of content to the quantity of time spent staring at screens. And there you have it, the story behind the term idiot box. We hope you found this exploration into English slang both entertaining and informative. Remember, language is not just about vocabulary and grammar. It's also about culture, history, and the ever-changing landscape of communication. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you